Hey everybody, Aaron here. So I'm outside on this nice wonderful day with my son trying to get this set up for my garden tower. I've got the boards here that I got cut at Lowe's. So now I just need to set them in a little cross pattern. I'm gonna get them screwed together. I'm also going to get them cut a little bit different, but I got cut to the length that I need. So I'll have to get them cut again one more time possibly. We'll see how I like it after I get them laid down. So I'm gonna get to it. Alright, so I've got cut and screwed in on both sides, so it helps hold it together a lot better. Now I need to just set that up on top here as center as possible, mark it, put the casters on, and then the base part's set to go. Alright, so I'm putting on the casters now that I've got set up here. So I've got one on and just gotta get these other ones strapped down. Alright, so now I've got it set so this is on, got some screws into it, and I can move it around whenever I need to. So now the fun part will be getting all that put in on here layer by layer as I add in the soil for it. So I'll do that possibly tomorrow. We'll see. All right, now it is complete. Got it filled up. It's got 10 on each row, so I got a total of 50. Up here's where I'm going to be planting all my herbs. Spins around, takes a little more effort to spin it around. And my casters will let me to pull it around when I need. The soil will settle down a little bit more, and that will allow these to fill up completely how they need to. But I added some more soil to them. Then I can just add some more to the top. Then I'm done. All right, so that's one garden project done. So whenever I get the other ones going, I will put some videos up of them as well. I've got potatoes I got to get planted. I've got things like this. It's going to have my potatoes in them. So got them all the way back there. So until then, everybody, take care. I'll catch you later.